Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional, yes, the additional with extra puzzles. Seven extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 30th, 2024. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles in today's newspaper. So, total of 7 puzzles. That's a lot for a day. That's a lot of a day. Alright, first one I will start is this one. 3 stars Sudoku number 9816. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 29 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the 3 stars puzzle has usually 25 printed digits. This one has 4 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is it 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, well. Come on. One. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. Wow. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 5. Should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. In the middle row. So the row below the only place level 7. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this row. Should be there. 2. Okay, 1. Need a 6. Need a 9. 169. 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place level 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, and the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 place level 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, 2, the 2, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes, and there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, no. Okay. Need a 4 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. 2 and a 6, so 1 digit left in this row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then need a 1 here. Need 3 there. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. With a 3 in this big square, could be here. Could be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. 3 is supposed to be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I need to think. 7, need 8 here. 8, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 1. Yeah. Need 8 here. Need 8. Well, in this, well, 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Okay, in the middle column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the row above, no 6 there. So the only 2 places left with 6 in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6. Okay, 1, 2, and the 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, or 4. Okay. 1, 1. Come on. 2, 4, and 2, 4, and 8. 2, 4, and 8. 2, 4, and 8. 8, 8. Come on. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down. The 2 places left with 3. Could be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left with 6. Could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left with 8 should be here and there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there, so the 8 could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left with 5. Could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between only 3 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 9. No. Come on. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We got you the pair. Okay, so these 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. We have 8 in this one, no 8 there. So the 8 Cube here, could be there. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there then. So if eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2 then. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, 2, yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with the 2. Could be here, could be here. Here we have a 2. Here we have a 2. That means in this column, we need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Because here can be 2. We have a 2 in them. In this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. The only place left with the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Here, so 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3 are left. 1, 3, and I need a 6 here. 6, 6, yeah, need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay, 1 box left now in this column. I believe the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Need a 7 here or there. Okay. 5, 5, 5. Yeah, 2. Oh, mark those 2 boxes early with a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 box left now in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 9. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left now in this row. I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. 6, 5, and need a 7 here. 7 and a 5. Oh no. 2 missing numbers. The 9 and a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and a 5. Here 2 numbers. Oh, 9 and a 6. We already have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 9. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 9 and a 5. We have a 9, 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. Faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.